In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar to your Amplenote workspace. To get started, open the Chrome browser on your computer and go to the Amplenote website. Once the page loads, log into your Amplenote account workspace. Make sure you're entering your own account credentials securely, and if you're using a shared device, it's always a good idea to confirm that you're signing into the correct workspace before moving on. After you've logged in successfully, give the interface a moment to fully load so all navigation options are visible and ready to use. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left side of the screen. This area contains the main navigation tree where you can move between different sections of Amplenote. In that left side menu, find the layout mode icon for calendar view and click it. This will switch your workspace into the calendar layout, which is where calendar integrations and scheduling features are typically managed. If the screen takes a moment to refresh, that's normal, so just wait until the calendar view is fully displayed. After the calendar layout opens, stay focused on the sidebar area because that's where you'll find connection options related to linked services. Look for the option to connect a calendar account, then choose Google Calendar from the list. When you click it, a connection window or sign in prompt may appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue linking your Google Calendar account. As you go through the connection process, make sure you review the permissions being requested. These permissions allow Amplenote to access the calendar information needed for syncing and display. If everything looks correct, approve the connection to complete the setup. Depending on your settings, it may take a few seconds for the integration to finish. Once connected, your Google Calendar should begin appearing within the Amplenote calendar view, allowing you to manage your schedule more easily from one place. If you don't see your calendar right away, give it a moment to sync or refresh the page if needed. It can also help to double check that you selected the correct Google account during the connection process. And that's it. You've now logged into Amplenote, switched to the calendar view, and connected your Google Calendar using the sidebar connection options. This setup can make it much easier to keep your notes, tasks, and schedule organized together inside your workspace.